Welcome back to your favorite Zoom tutorial, or as I like to call it, Zootorial. Today's video will cover how to deliver and record a presentation using Zoom. I'll show you how to host a meeting, record a meeting, and share your presentation. This tutorial will be useful for those of you who have to give a presentation to a small group of classmates while also recording your presentation so the rest of the class can view it later. Let's begin. So the first thing you want to do is open your Zoom application. Once you're in the application, you can click the orange button that says New Meeting. Once you're in the meeting, click on the button that says Participants. Then, click on the button that says Invite. So you can either choose from your contacts or send out an email invitation. Now let's talk about how to record a Zoom meeting. At the bottom bar, you see a few options. We have security, participants, chat, share screen, which we'll get into later, record, and reactions. Go ahead and click on the record button to record your presentation. Let's move on to sharing your presentation. At the bottom bar, you should see that bright green share screen button. Go ahead and click it. You can either share your desktop, or if you already have the application open, click on the PowerPoint button. Now your class can see your presentation. While you're giving your presentation, you should still be able to see the participants and the chat. Once your presentation is over, you can stop sharing the screen, end the recording, and end the meeting. When you end the meeting, Zoom will automatically convert the recording to an MP4 and save it on your computer. From there, you'll be able to share your presentation with the rest of the class. Here's an example of what a live presentation looks like.
Hello. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen.
Looks good.
I know how to present. Is that right? Maybe I don't know how to present. I'm using my work computer so I can also record this to use in a tutorial later, but clearly... there we go. So hello everybody. Before we start, I just want to say that I am live from my pillow fort. Anyway, welcome to Feeling Gravity's Pull. Tidal interactions between the M81 group.
This tutorial was brought to you by the Digital Studio and narrated by Elsa Ingwerson. Thank you for tuning in, and happy Zooming!